Don't worry, I fixed it. Yeah. Okay, we're ready now. We're going to play a different song. Okay, we're going to play the Battle Park song. Yeah, no, this is a sad song now. This is a real sad song. Sad song, okay. Let's do it. Yeah. I remember the first time walking with you. I was wearing my blue jumper from primary school. I looked up to the sky and I thought to myself, is this the school for me? Now I don't regret my decision. Set me free. Oh, Bower Park, I will miss you. Today's the day I go. Empty corridors and empty chairs. Very clean. Our corridor. These are the things that will be here when we're gone. Oh, Bower Park, I will miss you. Bower Park, today's the day I go, even though we got to walk in one direction, even though we can only wear black coats. All of these are tiny compared to the love I have for you. Oh, there you go. Something like this. Today's the day, today's the day I go. Bower Park, I will miss you. I'm crying and sweating. It's not a good combination.
Almost 6 years have gone by since my first day. We can't hear you. Continue to grow.
Right. Almost 6 years have gone by since my first day at Bower Park Academy, and my love and appreciation of the school has only continued to grow and prosper. I feel very fortunate to have been given many opportunities, both academic and social, to help me develop as a person. As I approach my last day at Bower Park Academy, I prepared to venture into the world out there. From day one, it was a pleasure coming to this school, as there was this abundance of support and dedication from my teachers and Miss Morrison, who helped me get my groundings. But sadly, I must say, all good things must come to an end. Being at Bower Park Academy, I feel, was being a part of a family and will be greatly missed. The opportunity to be president of the school has made a great impact on my life and gained me much respect. I have great memories that I will treasure forever, including my foreign trips abroad. A very big thank you to Miss Morrison for allowing me to go on the South Africa trip as an ambassador of Bower Park. It was the best thing that ever happened to me, and I will always remember this. Our teachers are always willing to give their time and energy, providing extra classes in their own time and working with us students on a one-to-one basis to help us. I feel that I have personally benefited from this intensive support and guidance. They have created an environment of enthusiasm for learning, appreciation for growing, and room for making mistakes along the way. I will always be grateful to all my teachers at Bower Park and would like to thank them on behalf of all Year 11. I believe she's not here today, but I would like to say a very big thank you to Miss Morrison and Miss Lucky for believing in us. I can assure you that you will not see the last of me. While departures are sad, I must say I am happy because I can keep these memories with me always. Thank you all for your valued support.
Okay, and on that note, anyone who's still got BVOs, before you leave, you can get something with them, or you can always donate what you've got left to charity. So bear that in mind, please. So we've got quite a few people here that have used their BVOs. So I'd like to present the following: Vicky Harrington, Rory Tiffin, Sandu, Angela, Kezia, Aditya, Heidi, Carl, and Lisa. If you'd like to come and get your BVOs at the end, please do. And remember, all those BVOs can be donated to charity. So well done on your BVO award. Okay, the Jack Petchey Award. Since Year 7, we have been presenting students the Jack Petchey. And there have been many reasons. It doesn't always have to be academic. It could be something that you've done outside school. It could be the way that you are a good citizen. There are many, many reasons. Today, we are lucky to be presenting 3 Jack Petchey Awards. And the people that get the awards, they get to donate money to the school. So, without further ado, 3 people for this year, and they're all very well deserving. First of all, we have Lucy Gibson. Lucy Gibson, for giving 100% all of the time, working hard, achieving her absolute award goes to somebody, it's an English award from the English department, someone who has managed to turn their grade around. They proved just sheer determination, hard work and putting in the extra hours. And that person is Sean Downey. Well done. In their drama GCSE. I watched this person in their final exam piece and I couldn't believe how brilliantly they'd done, because I thought this person was quite shy, but they absolutely blew me over, and that is Anne Carville.
Wherever you're going, I wanna go. Wherever you're heading, can you let me know? I don't mind catching up, I'm on my way. Just can't take the thought of you miles away. And I know you're going somewhere to make a better life. I hope that you find it on the first try. And even though it kills me that you have to go, I know I'll be sadder if you never hit the road. So farewell. Somebody's gonna miss you. Going on, but you won't miss nothing but the same old song. Don't mind catching up, I'll spend the day telling you stories about a land far away. And I know you're going somewhere to make a better life. I hope that you find it on the first try. And even though it kills me that you have to go, I know I'll be sadder if you never hit the road. So farewell. Somebody's gonna miss you.
I've never done anything like this before in my life.
You know, it's Year 11 assembly.
Oh, yeah.
And I really don't know what to do. So I've got so much I want to say, but I just don't know how to say it.
Well, if you can't say it, why don't you sing it? I quite like Wonderwall, maybe?
Alright. You play it and I'll have a go at singing it.
'Today is gonna be the day that you're gonna leave me here in school. I am sure somehow we'll find what you got to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads in Romford are so winding, and all the lights and college so inviting. There are many things that I have often said to you, but they're all true. So brilliant, you're gonna go have fulfillment. After all, you're so wonderful. Baby, you're so brilliant. You gotta go and get fulfillment. And after all, you're so wonderful.
I think that was a really good idea. Thanks for that, Scott.
We've got refreshments at the back of school now. We can have a little think about, and then we'll start making it. Oh, I've got one important message, sorry. Year 11 GCSE art students, you have to get your work signed off before you leave, because otherwise they won't look at it. So if you're a Year 11 GCSE art student, you must see Miss Nettie today and get your work signed. If not, we'll send you back here, then we'll